states toughening up on privacy laws for at-home DNA tests. This is a very dark path because I don't think people realize what actually happens when you do like 23andMe or Ancestry.com or one of these websites where you have these DNA tests. You do like a swab, and it'll tell you your genealogy or something like that. That's supposedly accurate, and the amount of data that you're giving up, what kind of information goes into a database. It also, like, pretty sure goes into government databases like police and stuff like that. And so a lot of that data is opt-in. And so I'm glad that they're trying to toughen up these privacy laws a little bit. I think there's some details on one of the slides here, right? Yeah, so basically requires customers to give consent before genetic data can be used for scientific research or shared with a third party. Shared with a third party shouldn't even be the case, right? Like, goes back to what Raju was talking about, business models. Like, just give me the information and charge me more and end it there, right? I mean, the sharing with third parties is unnecessary, and I don't think people realize that's exactly what happens and how these what do you call at-home DNA tests make a good chunk of their money.
Yeah, I mean, this is one level deeper than what we historically talked about, which is, biometric. Now they're going all the way to DNA and linking that to ads. How worse can it get, right? So it's crazy. And the other use cases, there are some decent, valid use cases out there, but again, that's a minority. You're using that 1 or 2% of valid use cases, and using that as an excuse for the other 98%. And now how where this will end up in 5-10 years.